From TikTok videos with AI, you can earn thousands of dollars from YouTube Shorts. Let me show you how. We see many channels on YouTube that get millions of views and earn thousands of dollars. The method is very easy.
What did that just mean?
I mean, we will create a channel with AI and upload the videos from TikTok. You might ask yourself if you need to collect videos, search a lot, and learn how to edit and get music. Actually,
no, never.
Let me show you a secret that no one talks about. And even if you keep searching for days.
Here we go.
Let's start from the beginning. You need to know the niches that bring views and have a high demand. I will show you the best niches you can work on right now. You can create motivational videos, which bring high views. You have podcasts for celebrities and influencers, football and funny situations that happen, history videos talking about famous personalities. But choose the niche wisely, because that's what you'll work on. We will create a YouTube channel. Let's create a channel about football. If you don't know what to name your channel, go to ChatGPT and ask for 20 names for a new football channel. It will give you 20 names without even thinking or exhausting yourself. Choose the one you like, and that's how we create a YouTube channel. We need to create a logo for the channel. How do we do that? You can go to Canva's website or Photopea or Leonardo AI, all for free. Write what you want, and it will create the image for you. Let's move on to TikTok. We search for football. All the videos will appear, choose as you like, and try not to choose something that already has a logo or name. And if you find a video you like, and it has a logo or name, add your name to it. Download it using a download manager so that the video doesn't get blocked or removed from YouTube. Open any editing software you are comfortable with, and it's easy for you. Remove the song, zoom in the video a bit, and add music from the YouTube library, which you can download for free. Let's go back to our channel and upload the video. When you upload it, you need to write keywords so that the video reaches the largest audience. That's why I bring you the Video IQ. It will help you get the keywords for each video. It will also tell you when to upload the videos. Additionally, it will tell you how many views you have and where your channel is heading. And Video IQ will tell you what names and videos people are looking for. In this case, you will be able to know which videos are going in the right direction. You will find the link in the description. This is very important. Wait, we haven't finished yet. There is another way.
What?
Watch the video. We search on YouTube for football and see what we want to make videos about, or what are the best moments we need to upload. For example, about Messi. Collect videos about Messi. Then, use Premiere Pro or CapCut, or any other software you are comfortable with. Cut the videos and choose the best moments. Choose music that you can get for free from the YouTube library. To add some flavor to the video, let me tell you about a website where you can get free stickers and GIF reactions. Jiffy.com. It's the best website for this. Add some touches to the video and render it. Now it's time to upload the video. That's it. Well, not really. Download many videos. A lot. You need to follow the same pace every day for 30 days without skipping a single day. This will take 2 or 3 hours of your time. Consistency is the most important thing to succeed on YouTube. Don't expect high views so that you don't get disappointed. Keep going and don't focus on the result right now. Look at it after a month since you uploaded the first video. Keep going, and I promise you that the videos will get very high views. Numbers are not crucial at the beginning of your channel. The most important thing is consistency. And of course, every niche is different from the other in terms of views, engagement, and even money. You can focus on a niche that can bring you thousands of dollars, or you can focus on a niche that can bring you hundreds of dollars. The most important thing is to focus, continue, and learn from the videos that have high views. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and write below. This is the first time you know this information or not.